Today, we're taking you inside a small local factory where hard work and craftsmanship transform waste materials into valuable products. The process begins with collecting old animal bones. This stage requires patience, skill, and a lot of attention to detail. Every single piece is inspected by hand to ensure it meets quality standards. The bones are carefully cleaned, sorted, and separated according to their quality and size. The animal bone material is processed and shaped into small round pieces. Every single piece is inspected by hand to ensure it meets quality standards. These small pieces are then transformed into beautiful dress buttons. What may seem like useless waste to many people gets a completely new life here. Through dedication and expertise, discarded materials are turned into useful and valuable buttons. These are not just buttons. They represent hard work, experience, craftsmanship, and a source of livelihood for many workers. If you enjoy amazing manufacturing, factory, and recycling videos like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us what you think about this fascinating process. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next interesting video.